Good morning, y'all. We're back here at the Feather River on a Friday, the last day of May. What do you guys think about that? Just got a little striper right here, about 16, 17 inches. Thought it was a keeper. It's not a keeper though. But yeah, they're definitely still out here. That's what I caught so far, y'all. It's about 7 in the morning. Out here in the Feather River at the boat launch in search of them striper keepers. Yeah, I'm about to help this fella out. He's not doing so good. Look, come on, fella, turn around. There you go. There you go. Yeah, he fought. It was fun. Did pretty good. Like on the side of the hook. Ah, he's almost out by himself. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Let go of the hook. You can do it. But yeah, I'm Rich Rod. Catching the strappers out here in the Feather River. Just landed this one right here. It's not a keeper. We're gonna let him go, y'all. He's not doing so good. There you go. Turn around. There you go. Turn around. He's good now. All right, stay tuned.